Some applications call for a smooth ceramic, some applications call for a beaded ceramic, and some applications call for both. And we're going to jump into one of my favorite applications that we've done out in the field, and where we implemented a multi-ceramic coating to protect a pump that really was just getting the shit kicked out of it. So jumping into this pump, so this pump was actually a runoff water pump for a coal field, and what they had was basically they were recirculating water back to the system with their water runoff, and it had a screen on it which was designed to keep large coal chunks from going into it. But in this case, they removed the screen and basically said if it fits, it ships, and we're sending it through. Some coal chunks as big as 4, 5, and 6 inches in diameter were going through this pump, and it was just absolutely destroying this pump. Hey guys, real quick, I do this to help you with your coatings, linings, and composite systems, whether you're working with another manufacturer, distributor, or a supplier. If you think this could help somebody that you know, please do share it with them. That way we can get the message out. Really appreciate it. Now let's get back to today's topic. And so what we did in this application was we actually put in a beaded ceramic that had finer ceramic powders mixed in with it. And so what this did was, for all the small particulate, is it allowed this particular coating to finish smooth and keep everything going through. But with the beads, it actually gave it very good impact resistance. So previously, every time they would service this pump, which is about every 500 hours of runtime, they would basically have to rebuild the whole pump itself, including the impeller. When we put this new lining in, it ran for about 1,000 to 2,000 hours. Then they did a service on it, the coating was in good shape, and then they reran it for another 1,000 or 2,000 hours, at which point they said the coating in about 90% of the spots was in good shape, 10% of it had finally worn away, and then the actual pump itself was in such bad shape that it ate the back down nut on the impeller and sent that and lodged it within the pump casing itself. And basically the only thing left on there, from what we were told, was the ignition key to start the pump and turn it off was basically gone. And so one of the big reasons that we love this coating so much, and again, there's lots of manufacturers that have this type of system, is it uses the beads within the system to give you good impact resistance and good wear resistance, because they're 100% ceramic, right? Which is the best as far as wear resistance is concerned. But then there's also powdered ceramic interwoven where the beads aren't, to protect the resin, to allow it to hold in as the binder and keep the beads on there to give you your wear resistance. So kind of a two-step in your wear and impact resistance. So hope this application helped you guys. If you have any questions on it, drop a comment down below. Be happy to help you. As always, appreciate you guys. Godspeed.